So that's our ice candy avocado. Wow. So that's it, guys. Our stock of ice candy avocado. Yeah. Our avocado ice candy is ready to put in the freezer. Hello guys, good evening. We're just cooking ice candy. I have here avocado, condensed milk, evaporated milk. I will put yogurt, cornstarch, sugar, water, and ice bag. The water is there. So now we're putting the cornstarch in the water. So this is cold water. We will put the 1 cup cornstarch. And we will mix that one before boiling. And I'm not putting powdered sugar here, guys. Powdered sugar. I will put also a sugar. Yeah. Powdered milk, I'm not putting that one because I don't have powdered milk here. That's why I'm putting a yogurt. So these are ice candy like an ice cream. Okay guys, now we're adding our 1/2 cup white sugar. And then we will boil it now. We just continue stirring this one, guys, like we're doing maha blanca. Yeah, until it boils so that it will not stick. While boiling that, we will put in the blender this avocado. So it's like that now, guys, the color. And yeah, it's the consistency is good now, and it bubbles a little bit like boiling, but not like a water. That one is okay now. We will let this one cool. So we're putting now the avocado in our blender. So now guys, we're adding our evaporated milk here. I will put all the can and the condensed also. It's like we're doing a smoothie. I will add 1 cup of fresh milk. The condensed milk, I will mix that one together in the cornstarch water. Then now we're adding our yogurt. And blend that all. Oh, it's like a smoothie, guys. It's very yummy. Oh my god, like that. Ayan guys, we're well mixed our condensed milk here. Ayan, let's just mix the condensed milk here in our cornstarch mixture. So now guys, we're adding here our avocado. And then we will mix that one. Oh, I like this smoothie really very yummy. Check the color, guys. It's white and yellow green. We're just mixing it. Ayan guys, mix lang. Green na siya, yellow green. Ang ating avocado ice candy. Yan, ilalagay na natin sa plastic yan. Para sa akin guys, for me guys, the sugar, the 1/2 cup sugar I put here is just correct, plus the 1 can condensed milk. The sweetness is correct. But if you want to put more sugar, just add 1/4 cup and then of white sugar, and then you will taste. But for me, this one is correct. The taste of this one is correct. Sakto lang, just right the taste. So we need to have this thing here, and then a plastic. So ayan guys, we will put this now in the freezer, our avocado ice candy. So that's our ice candy avocado. Wow.